angle 45 degrees. Trigonometric ratios for angle 45 degrees. So I want to take a right angle isosceles triangle. So consider a right angle isosceles triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is a right angle isosceles triangle. So why we are taking right angle isosceles? So in a right angle triangle, one of the angle is 90 degrees. We need 45 degrees. So sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degrees. So in 90 degrees, one of the angle 45, then automatically remaining angle is also 45 degrees. That's why we are taking right angle isosceles triangle. If we are taking this is a triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, so this is a right angle. If one of the angle I am taking 45 degrees, by angle sum property of a triangle, the remaining angle is also equal to 45 degrees. That's why we are taking a right angle isosceles triangle. In this right angle isosceles triangle, this is the angle also equal to 45 degrees. So in an isosceles triangle, two angles are equal and two sides are also equal. So I am taking AB equal to BC because AC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest of all the sides. That's why it is not possible to take as equal side. Okay, hypotenuse is the longest of all the sides of the triangle ABC. So let AB equal to BC equal to small a. So or instead of A I am taking x. This is x. This is also equal to x. So right angle at B. Therefore hypotenuse is, what is hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. So AB equal to BC equal to x. These two sides are equal sides. This is the hypotenuse. I want to apply Pythagoras theorem. Since it is right angle triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, square of one side which is equal to the sum of squares of remaining sides. So square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square equal to AB x square, BC also x square, x square plus x square 2x square. AC equal to square root of 2x square, bringing square outside of the root x root 2. This is equal to x root 2. Now I am taking corresponding to angle A. Corresponding to angle A is opposite side. Is what is opposite side? Opposite side to angle A 45 degrees. So is BC, which is equal to x. Adjacent side. What is adjacent side? So adjacent side is AB. This is also equal to x. Next hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. This is equal to x root 2. Now, so we are taking trigonometric ratios. So according to the angle A, sin A. Sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is BC. Hypotenuse is equal to AC. BC x, AC x root 2. So x cancel 1 by root 2. Sin A, so implies sin A equal to 45. Sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Next cos A. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So the adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. This is also equal to AB equal to x, AC equal to x root 2. X getting cancel 1 by root 2. What is angle A? 45. Cos 45 is also equal to 1 by root 2. Next, tan. A. Tan A equal to, what is tan A? Opposite by adjacent equal to, opposite equal to BC, adjacent equal to AB. So both are equal to x getting cancelled 1. So that is tan 45 equal to 1. Tan 45 value 1. Next cot A. Cot A equal to adjacent by opposite equal to, what is opposite? What is adjacent? AB. Opposite BC. Both AB and BC are equal to x by x 1. So cot 45 equal to 1. So this is cot A. Next sec A. Sec is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent is AB. AC equal to x root 2 by AB equal to x. X cancel, we will get root 2. Sec A equal to 45. Sec 45 equal to root 2. Next cosec A. Cosec A equal to hypotenuse, not okay, hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse AC, opposite BC. AC equal to x root 2, BC equal to x. So x cancel root 2. So cosec A equal to 45. Cosec 45 equal to root 2. Now, so sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Reciprocal cosec 45 equal to root 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Cosec 45 root 2. Cos 45 how much? 1 by root 2. Its reciprocal sec 45 is root 2. Next tan 45 equal to 1. So its reciprocal cot 45 is also equal to 1. So these are trigonometric ratios for angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, to find angle 30 degrees, trigonometric ratios for angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees, I want to take a right angle. Instead of right angle triangle, first I want to take a equilateral triangle. So consider equilateral triangle ABC. I am taking equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles are also equal. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, all angles are also equal. So A, B, C. So this is equilateral triangle. So this is the triangle, equilateral triangle. All angles are equal to 60 degrees. Angle A equal to, angle B equal to, angle C equal to 60 degrees. Now I want to draw a perpendicular. Draw A. So that is a perpendicular. Let us consider D. So AD. So AD is altitude. If we are drawing a perpendicular from the vertex, it is altitude. Since it is an equilateral triangle, median, altitude, perpendicular bisector, angular bisector, all will be coincide. So drawing perpendicular from A to line BC, which meets at point D. So since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, AD is median and altitude. So AD is a median as well as altitude, and also angle bisector. angle bisector, also perpendicular bisector. For equilateral triangle, median, perpendicular bisector, angular bisector, altitude, all will be coincide. So this is median, altitude, perpendicular bisector, angle bisector, all will be this one AD. Okay, so since AD is a perpendicular bisector altitude, so I am taking, let all sides are equal, let AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 2x. I am taking all these are equal to 2x. So this is 2x, this is 2x, this is also equal to 2x. Since D is the midpoint of BC, D is the midpoint of BC, BD equal to DC equal to x. This is x, this is also equal to x. Okay, so this is x, this is also equal to x. These two are equal to x. So angle C equal to AD is angle bisector. Angle bisector. AD divides angle A into two equal parts. So this angle A, this AD line dividing this angle A into two equal parts. Actually this angle 60 degrees, this angle 30, this angle is also equal to 30, this angle is also equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so this is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Okay, so triangle ADC, if we are taking triangle ADC, this triangle ADC is right triangle. Triangle ADC is a right triangle. On a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem is applicable. So apply Pythagoras theorem. If we apply Pythagoras theorem, AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. AD square plus DC square. AD square equal to AC square minus DC square. AC square minus DC square. AC square how much? AC equal to x whole square minus x square. This is 4x square minus x square, 3x square. AD equal to root of 3x square. X square bringing outside x root 3. So this is AD. So now I am taking the right angle triangle ADC. So this is A, this is D, this is C. This is right angle, this angle 60 degrees, this angle 30 degrees. Okay, so now if we observe corresponding to angle A, so opposites, what is opposite corresponding to angle A? DC. So DC equal to, this is equal to x, this is a 2x, this is how much we got? AD equal to x root 3. So DC equal to x. Next adjacent equal to AD, this is equal to x root 3. Hypotenuse equal to AC equal to 2x. Hypotenuse equal to AC equal to 2x. Corresponding to angle C. If we are taking corresponding to angle C, this angle opposite is AD. This is equal to x root 3. Adjacent to angle 60 is CD. This is equal to x. Hypotenuse is always AC. This is equal to 2x. Since D is the right angle, so corresponding to angle A or corresponding to angle C, AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, now sin A equal to sin 60 equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite according to angle A? Opposite is x. Okay, so sin 30, actually this is 30, a equal to 30 degrees. So opposite x by hypotenuse 2x, x cancel 1 by 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2. Next cos a equal to cos 30, this is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is x root 3 by 2x, x cancel root 3 by 2. Next tan a equal to tan 30 equal to, so opposite by adjacent, which is equal to tan 30 equal to opposite equal to x by adjacent equal to x root 3, x cancel 1 by root 3. Next cot a equal to cot 30, a equal to 30, cot equal to adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? So adjacent to angle 30 is x root 3 by opposite x cancel root 3. Sec a equal to, so sec 30 equal to, sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse equal to 2x, adjacent equal to x root 3, x cancel 2 by root 3. Cosec a equal to cosec 30 equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse equal to 2x, opposite equal to x cancel 2. Next, so this is about corresponding to angle A, angle 30 degrees. Now corresponding to angle C, 60 degrees. So sin C, so sin 60. So sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite? So corresponding to angle C, we observe this one, opposite x root 3 by 2x, x cancel root 3 by 2. Cos C equal to cos 60 equal to, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent equal to what? So here adjacent x by hypotenuse 2x, x cancel 1 by 2. Tan 60 opposite by adjacent, opposite equal to AD, that is equal to x root 3 by adjacent x cancel root 3. Cot 60, cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So adjacent angle C, adjacent is x by opposite is x root 3, x cancel 1 by root 3. Next cosec C, so sec 60, sec is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse 2x, adjacent according to angle 60, angle C, adjacent x cancel 2. Cosec C equal to cosec 60 hypotenuse by opposite, hypotenuse 2x, opposite according to 60 x root 3, x cancel 2 by root 3. So these values we got. I want to write in the order. So sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, cot 30, sec 30, cosec 30 equal to, so these are the 30 degrees values. 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by root 3, sec 30 2 by root 3, 2. So next 60 degrees, sin 60 equal to how much? Root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3, cot 60 1 by root 3, sec 60 2, cosec 60 2 by root 3. So these values are very important, we must remember. this trigonometric ratios for angles 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So first I am taking a right angle triangle. Consider a right angle triangle ABC. Consider a right angle triangle ABC with right angle A to B. So I am taking right angle triangle ABC. So A, B, C, right angle triangle at B. Let angle BAC equal to theta. Angle BAC equal to theta. Corresponding to angle theta. Corresponding to angle theta. If we are taking corresponding to angle theta, so opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. Adjacent side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So hypotenuse side is AC. So this is the right angle triangle. So if theta equal to 0 degrees, then if theta equal to 0 degrees, then what happens? So this is angle theta. This is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side. So if angle theta is more, this will be BC will be more. So this is angle theta. So the angle is reduced. If the angle is reduced, then what happens? The length of the BC is also reduced according to angle theta. So this is angle theta. So if angle is like this, if angle will be less, it will be coincide. This AC line will be coincide with AB. So then what happens? AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, and BC, B and C points will be coincide. So angle is equal to 0, then B point, C point coincide, and AB which is equal to AC, and the length of the BC is equal to 0. Then what happens? So opposite BC equal to 0, adjacent equal to hypotenuse. Let us consider this is equal to x. Adjacent equal to hypotenuse. Adjacent what? Adjacent equal to AB. Hypotenuse equal to AC, which is equal to x. Now I am taking the angles. Sin A, sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sin theta, sin 0 for angle 0. Opposite equal to 0 by hypotenuse is equal to what? X. Sin 0 by something 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. Next, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse implies cos 0 equal to cos adjacent side AB equal to what? Adjacent side AB equal to x. Hypotenuse AC is also equal to x. X cancel, cos 0 equal to 1. Next, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. If tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, so tan theta equal to what? 0 degrees. If it is equal to 0, then opposite equal to 0, adjacent x. So tan 0 equal to 0 by x equal to 0. Next, cot theta adjacent by opposite implies cot 0 degrees equal to adjacent equal to what? Adjacent equal to x by opposite equal to 0. So implies cot 0 is infinity or undefined, because something by 0 does not exist. Next, sec theta. So sec hypotenuse by adjacent, sec 0, angle 0. If it is sec 0, then sec equal to hypotenuse is equal to x. adjacent also equal to x, x by x equal to 1, sec 0 equal to 1. Next cosec theta, hypotenuse by opposite, hypotenuse equal to cosec theta equal to 0, hypotenuse is equal to x, opposite is equal to opposite how much, opposite is BC, that is equal to 0, something by 0 infinity or undefined, cosec 0 undefined, infinity or undefined. Next, so now it is for angle 0 degrees, now for angle 90 degrees. So if you are taking for angle 90 degrees, so this is angle theta. So if B point C point coincide, AC and BC, B and C coincide, AC equal to AB, then the angle is equal to 0. So if we move A towards the left, so the angle will be increased. If we move A towards the right, the angle will be decreased. So if I am moving this A to B, so towards B, the angle will be increased. So if we are taking angle A and B points are coincide, the angle is equal to 90. So angle BAC equal to theta, it is equal to 90 when point A and B are coincide. So if these 2 points are coincide, then only the angle is equal to 90 degrees. So if when angle is 90 degrees, adjacent side, what is adjacent side? AB, this is equal to 0. If 2 points are coincident, then the length will be equal to 0. And opposite side equal to hypotenuse, that is BC equal to AC. Let us consider this is equal to x. Okay, now so according to angle, so sin theta equal to opposite BC by adjacent hypotenuse AC implies sin 90 BC x AC x equal to 1, sin 90 equal to 1. Cos theta, so when we are doing finding cos theta equal to adjacent AB hypotenuse AC implies cos 90 equal to, so cos 90, so AB equal to what? 0 by x equal to 0, cos 90 0, cos 90 0, sin 90 1. Next tan theta equal to BC opposite by adjacent AB, tan 90 equal to, so tan 90, so BC equal to what? BC equal to x. Next AB equal to 0, something by 0 infinity or undefined. So tan 90 equal to infinity or undefined. Next cot 90, cot theta, cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite BC. So AB by BC. So AB equal to what? AB equal to 0, BC equal to x implies it is equal to 0, cot 90 equal to 0. Next sec theta equal to sec hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC by, so adjacent AB. So AC equal to what? AC equal to x, AB equal to 0, equal to infinity or undefined. So this is sec 90. Cosec 90, cosec theta equal to, what is cosec theta? Hypotenuse by opposite. Cosec 90 equal to, so AC equal to x, BC is also equal to x, x cancel 1, cosec 90 equal to 1. So now I will write the values. Sin 90 equal to 1, cos 90 equal to 0, tan 90 equal to infinity, cot 90 equal to 0, sec 90 equal to infinity, cosec 90 equal to 1. So similarly, sin 0 equal to 0, cos 0 equal to 1, tan 0 equal to 0, cot 0 equal to infinity, sec 0 equal to 1, cosec 0 equal to infinity. So these are the values.